Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about passive profit funnels. Now this comes from Glinkoski, so you know this is going to be a done-for-you funnel builder, and quite frankly it's not really any different from many other funnel builders that they produce. But I'm going to take you inside the actual dashboard itself. We'll talk about some of the pros and cons of this particular version of this software, and then we'll go through the sales page in a little bit more detail. So as usual guys, these reviews are based on my own opinions, based on many years online buying products just like this one. And the idea of the reviews is you get a little bit more information before you go ahead and purchase any types of products like this online. So as I said, this is by Glinkoski. It's due to be released on Friday the 23rd of October at 10 AM Eastern, and it comes off the Warrior Plus network. We'll go through the product, I'll talk you through the members area, we'll go through the sales page, I'll talk to you about the upgrades, I'll tell you what's good about the product or what's not so good about the product, and then I'll give you my summary and you can take that away and decide whether this is going to be a good product for you. So just before we start guys, if you haven't been over to my channel, my name is Richard Darby, this is the School of Nomads. If you're interested in learning how I build my own business online, go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I publish new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out my free resource, link below, over to the School of Nomads, and we'll take you through the whole process step by step. So let's have a quick product overview. It's a cloud-based software, multiple 100% done-for-you funnels, multiple top converting products with automatic affiliate approval, full library of lead magnets and landing pages, step-by-step video training, 100% free traffic built in, plus additional free strategies you can use, hosting included for all of your pages, and a standalone custom funnel builder app. So let's dive straight into the members area and take a look around. So here we are over on the dashboard, and again this is very similar to most of these products that this vendor produces. It's almost the same product, all they're doing is changing a few of the products out that they actually allow you to promote, and also changing a few colors. It's almost the same software every single time. They're just changing the name obviously. Now on the right hand side here, I just noticed that there's quite a scary list of upsells here. You can see all of these various upsells and downsells that you've actually purchased. I'm not quite sure why this is here, but this just shows the scale of the upsells that you could end up buying here. And for some strange reason, there's this weird advert on the bottom for keyword valve, and this is an actual advert that clicks you over to a different site, which is very off-putting. I don't know why that's being added to this members area. So anyway, so this is the dashboard, usual welcome video. There's some tutorials here that go through various aspects of this software. Now this is a funnel builder, right? So this allows you to build incredibly simple funnels for various offers. Now as far as that's concerned, it is what it is, right? It's very cheap and cheerful, and if you wanted something that you wanted to build funnels with, this could potentially be good for you. It's like $17, but I'm going to tell you some very big drawbacks to having this type of software that's not owned by you. So anyway, here's some of the overall videos. You've got some videos around integration, how you can integrate your autoresponders. And again, there's a link there probably to get response to get some affiliate commissions for them. Then you've got some how to create the actual campaigns for any kind of product, how you can go ahead and use your upgrades, and then there's some more traffic strategies down here. Now some of these traffic strategies are paid, some of these are free, and to be honest, you've got to be careful whenever using any of these types of traffic strategies, because quite frankly some of them can be quite dangerous. For instance, the reason I say that, this very first one is solo ads, and if you're a newbie you want to keep well clear of solo ads, because you can spend a lot of money and get very little in return, and really mean that guys. Do not go anywhere near solo ads if you don't know what you're doing. This one is about paid advertising, and again you got to be really careful when you're using paid advertising when you're first starting off. If you know what you're doing, you can use paid advertising, but the thing with paid advertising is it really needs a lot of optimizing to get it going. It can cost you a lot of money to get it going. I know because I do it myself. I use YouTube ads and it takes a while to actually optimize, and it can cost you a lot of money. So just be very careful when you're using things like paid ads as a beginner. I would always start with free ads, which is why I use YouTube for my main traffic source, because it's free and it allows me to scale without spending a lot of money. The third one here is around Instagram, building an Instagram account. Again, that takes a long time. Nothing wrong with this traffic strategy, But remember, this is all going to take a long time. And really, if you think about traffic anyway, especially using free traffic methods, you've got to expect to be putting out a lot of content to get traffic over to your sites. Now, one of the issues with these types of funnels is, what is the reason that anybody is ever going to come over to this organically? You're going to have to somehow get people over to your links, which means creating a YouTube channel, creating a blog, creating something that allows people to see content before they come over to these types of offers, which is where the big issue that I have with most of these done for you funnel builders is the traffic strategies they give you never really work unless you spend a hell of a long time adding content to the various sites. So just be aware of that. I'm going to say traffic a lot in this review, because I believe that most beginners have no idea how to drive traffic to these types of sites, and that's really the thing you need to learn how to do before you start building all these elaborate type funnels. But anyway, here's all of the various bits of training. Nothing really wrong with that. I mean, Glinkoski trains really well as far as I'm concerned. He always explains things really well. No problem with any of the training on any of his products. This is the area in your campaigns that you can actually go ahead and build your own campaigns. I'm not going to take you through this step by step because it's going to take me ages to do. But basically, you can go ahead and create your own campaigns. Now that means having the various pages in the funnel actually built for you using this particular piece of software. Now, I don't think there's anything too wrong with this. I do think the quality of some of the pages they produce, which I'll show you in the done for you ones now, isn't great. And I also think that once you pay for the front end and the first OTO on this thing to get all of these various functions available to you, you might as well go and buy a page builder like Thrive Themes and use that to build all your pages. It's 100 times better quality than this, and I've demonstrated that in multiple other videos before. So just be aware that, you know, these types of things might sound good, but you can just go ahead and learn how to do this yourself very, very easily if you're a beginner, and you can end up having some unique pages of your own that are actually hosted by you. Now there's the second thing. The big problem with all these kind of done for you sites, again, is they're hosted by these folks. Now I know for a fact that they don't go ahead and support their products after a while. There's one here they always sell as a traffic solution called Affiliate Traffic Lab, which does not work. I reviewed that, and I'm going to leave a link to that down below in the description. I'll show you that review. That software does not work anymore, and they're still selling it as if it does. And if you've got a vendor like that, how can you possibly build a business based on having links through software like this if they're not going to be maintained? So you've got to be so careful whenever you're using this type of software if you're really, really serious about building a business online. These are just kind of gimmicks that you think you're creating something nice, but it's very, very difficult to get people to come across and see them. So anyway, you can go ahead and you can build all of your different pages on here. And let me just show you exactly what these types of pages look like. So here are the actual done for you funnels. Now there's two arguments here. One is they are done for you funnels, so you don't have to do anything and you can just go ahead and promote these products. The other side of this is some of these products are actually the vendor's products for a start, which is kind of all right because that's what they do, you know, and they're marketers, so they're trying to market their own products. And the best thing for them is if you go ahead and market them for them. The big thing here whenever I see these done for you products is they're always picking products that I would not promote myself. 12-Minute Affiliate is a product that encourages you, again, it's a funnel builder like this. It encourages you to go ahead and spend a fortune on solo ads to get people to buy that product. And for a newbie, it's an absolute nightmare. And again, the vendor gets all of the money there because all he needs to do is get people to be spending solo ads to come into his funnel and buy his products. So it's very, very poor products, some of these things. Clickbank University is fine. Squibble is fine. No problem with that. I actually promote that myself. Some of these others are absolute trash. But anyway, what you promote is completely up to you. I'm just giving you my view on this review, and I'm not happy with some of the things that they say are good products for you to promote. So if you just come along and you publish this, I'm going to show you the different types of pages. Now this is various pages in your funnel. So you get a squeeze page, you get a bonus page, you get a lead magnet page, and you get a download page, which is fair enough. That's a good little funnel to have. So here's your squeeze page that you have. Now, I for one don't like the look of this squeeze page. I think the coloring is awful, right? And this piece here, you could need to change a lot of the stuff on this particular squeeze page. Now, these are the done for you ones that are already in the system. The idea is you put your email address in there and download your bonus. And before I even put my email address in, it somehow clicked over to here. I don't know how it did that. And you would go ahead and get your bonus, right? Now, the second one is the bonus URL, and you've got a video here that's not actually showing the product that you're promoting. It's showing some random kind of video around that product. But you have a video here, which is fair enough, and then you have some nice bonuses underneath here, which are just going to be PLR stuff. They're not going to be anything fancy, but you have some PLR bonuses under here. And another one of the bonuses they always give are all these social proof things as well, guys. You've always got these hours, you've always got these 20 packages remaining. They're all kind of social proof things that encourage people to buy quicker, which they're all complete rubbish. If I reset this page, everything would reset. But we all get that, right? There's the actual lead magnet page, and then you go ahead and there'll be a download page here. Now, what would obviously happen is, if I just go back to the bonus page, once they see this bonus page, they would then actually click on this link here and then be taken over to the sales page of 12-Minute Affiliate. Once they go ahead and purchase, you get a commission, right? But as far as I'm concerned, this page looks awful, right? I don't like the colors on this. I think it's a very low quality page. I'm not quite sure why they did this. This is one for their own product, 1K daily. Let me just look at this. Again, funny blues here. And when you actually build a page, it'll ask you where you want blue, green, or red, or whatever. And that's obviously this color here, and these types of colors here are going to be blue. And I don't like this coloring again. I don't want to be too critical on these pages, because this, at the end of the day, is just an image in the background. These pages aren't that nice. We'll just try another one for perpetual traffic. And again, that red is awful. So I don't get why they haven't designed these very nicely. Now, that's my personal opinion, guys, obviously, but I don't think these pages are very nice. Let's jump on to maybe the Done For You 2 pages. This is obviously an upsell. There's more Done For You products here. That's one of their products. That's one of their products. Done For You Profit Funnels is one of their products. Video Marketing Blaster is not one of their products. That's not something I'm a big fan of. And VO Genesis. So let's have a look at this one. Again, I'm showing you these just to show you the quality of the actual pages themselves. And look at that, guys. That is awful. And that is one that they're actually going to sell to you as a Done For You page. Would you come along to this page and sign in to this graphic? I definitely wouldn't. So I'm not impressed with these Done For You pages at all, I'm afraid. I don't understand why they've decided to make or design these pages in this way. That's the pages themselves. If I go to the actual social shares, this is always going to be the free traffic they say you have. These are the built-in traffic sources, thousands of users, all of this great stuff. You're not going to get any traffic from any of these sources unless you have an existing audience on things like Facebook, on Twitter, on Pinterest, whatever it may be. If you've got an existing audience that you can share these funnels with, fine. This could be okay for you. If you want to share some of this low quality pages that I've been showing you, then this could be a product for you. Absolutely fine. If you're a complete beginner, you're unlikely to have a big following on any of these, you won't get any traffic. Just think about it, guys. Go and put a link on your pages now on Facebook and see how many people actually go ahead and click it and buy off you. You're probably only going to have friends and family on there. You're not going to have a whole list of other people that are potential buyers. So there's a whole other thing you need to do here to build up presence on things like YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitter. You need to build up your audiences before you end up getting traffic over to these types of offers. So just be very, very wary of that. The free traffic methods are always the same. It's the same products they sell every time, and quite honestly, they're not very good. This Affiliate Traffic Lab doesn't work. This Viral Traffic Tracker, it just produces complete spam. And there's some more training here. There's some YouTube training here. So I'm afraid this doesn't work, this app. So I'm not sure why they keep advertising it. And then you have all your upgrades here, which I'll go through. It's the unlimited traffic. Unlimited traffic is actually adding a pixel to their sales page. 30K in 30 days, their workshop, super affiliate, license rights, auto profit boost, ATM edition, ultimate edition, and then you can upgrade your membership there. So that's the actual product itself. Let me just jump over to the sales page. Usual thing with these sales pages, actually, if you look at their last sales page, it's 1K daily system. World's first automated 1,000 a day in under 60 seconds. 1,000 buyer leads, 10,000 per month in under 60 seconds. It's just, you know, it is what it is. It's just ridiculous. Cheap and cheerful, churn and burn, all of the types of get rich quick type phrases you would use. And, you know, it's not going to get you $10,000 per month. It really isn't. So anyway, I go through the sales page, usual stuff. It explains what it is, lots of financial proof. I've got no doubt that Glinkoski and the vendors make a lot of money. They do make a lot of money from affiliate sales, from their own product sales, but you can't expect to make this type of money from this type of software. As far as I'm concerned, guys, this isn't an endorsement. Whenever characters like this are given they're okay to this product, that's not an endorsement to me. I'll just skip down to the guarantee. So the guarantee, 180-day money-back guarantee. I have lots of messages on YouTube all of the time where people cannot get their money back of vendors like this. So just be careful. And when you go actually down to the value claims, and I always like to look at this, there's about $23,000 of value here. And I think the product at the front end is $17. Yeah, come on. It's not really, is it? So the upgrades, the front end is $17. The OTO one is unlimited version is $67 down to $37. 100% done for you is $97 down to $67. Again, that's the done for you 2 that I showed you. As I said, if you go ahead and purchase those 2, you can go ahead and buy yourself a really nice page builder and do this yourself. It would be totally unique. If you're a beginner, I would advise you to do that instead of buying products like this. The OTO 3, unlimited traffic, is $147 down to $47. OTO 4 is 30k in 30 days version, $147 to $47. OTO 5, super affiliate version, is $97 down to $37. The license rights is $147 down to $67. And the auto profit boost is $47 down to $37. As I said, I wouldn't advise you to actually purchase any of these, but if you do, stick out for the downsell. So the pros, what's good, the software does work, it's 180 days guarantee, and you can build your own pages. I do doubt whether the quality is that good looking at the software, but the facility is there for you to build your own pages. What's not so good, the sales page is just ridiculous as usual. If you follow any of my reviews, you've got to start standing back and looking at what these sales pages are saying and just taking them all for a pinch of salt. I get the idea is to get you excited, to get you wanting to jump in and spend a fortune on these kind of shiny objects, but it's just ridiculous claims on there. There's no traffic strategy here. You really need to learn about traffic to make any of these types of funnels work. The value claims aren't real. The funnels are hosted by them, which is a real problem, because if they take this down, your business is gone. There's low quality done for you pages, in my opinion, and they're horrible. They're not very nice colours. They're not particularly well designed, so it's not a very good version of a done for you page builder. Not needed. Buy your own page builder, guys. That's what I would advise, and I don't think there's any value for beginners. So in summary, this is the same old product from this vendor. Every single product of theirs is these done for you funnel builders. It's the same cloud-based software they use, and they're just changing the colours. I'll give this a 4 out of 10 only because it just produced what it says it will produce. I just got a lot of reservations about whether this is going to be of any value to somebody who is serious about building a business online. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope that was of value to you. Again, that was based on my own opinion. Completely up to you. Go ahead and try this if you want. I'd love to hear how you get on. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to this channel before, don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. And guys, if you're serious about starting a long-term sustainable business online, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.